What? No, what? Hi everybody, welcome back to Dino Gaming. Today we're playing Press the Button 2. And obviously, I'm trapped in the box. What? A giant! What's happening? You can't see what's happening here? I became a monster. Literally, I became a monster. Wait, so you're just saying that? Wait, what? Sonic, what are you doing here? I don't think this is meant for Sonic. I think this is meant for Roblox characters. Oh, you're a Sonic Roblox character? No, I'm horrible at this. No, I'm not gonna become tiny. I may have Robux, but it doesn't mean I'm gonna fall for your little tiny tricks. No, what? No. No. What, Sonic? What the heck? Sonic, why did you just accept your fate? Honestly, you look nothing like Sonic. And honestly, I'm dead. And honestly, I'm alive. What? Yo. Foggy. Miss Foggy, what are you? What? Foggy took away my tower. Does this look like a face of somebody that's happy? Does it? Sorry. No, never mind about that. I can't even see where I'm going. I'm just like frozen. What the heck? What? Why can't I move? Guys. What? Guys, I can't move. This is gonna be a problem, I think. I can't move. Oh wait, my ability to move is back. I hate this one. That's why I hate it. Because that happened. Wait, what? No. Sorry, I have lots of stuff in my inventory. Invisible power. Where's my invisible power? My ninja never works. It's supposed to make me invisible, but it never does. I guess I'll just throw pie everywhere. Hiya! What? I wanted to eat that pie. I don't want to throw it. I'm going to throw it at you. Pie. You want some pie? Hey, Sonic. You want some pie? Sonic, you want some pie? Hiya! Pie. Everywhere. Pie! No! Gotta push the button. What? Huh. Well, at least I have a fidget spinner. Hot sauce. Don't drink hot sauce. Please don't just drink a whole bottle of hot sauce. This is what happens to you when you drink a whole bottle of hot sauce. And you get ran over by a car, because why not? Wow. Lucky. Hey, Sonic. What up? Wait, no. I want to press the button. What happened to the button? No, Sonic. Did you do that, Sonic? If you did that, Sonic, I'm going. Wait. Hiya. It's like an old TV show. It's like an old TV show when this is the old TV show. Oh wait, it's a new TV show. What? Oh no, I made an alien. Wait, what, you? Wait, I thought that I pressed the button. I was the only one close to the button. I'm just gonna stand on the button, so I definitely gonna press it. Meteorite? No. Meteorites are never gonna come on top of the button. See, it's here. Oh yes, the giant statue of me with that huggy wuggy short and no, not this. No, please not me. No, what? How is Sonic surviving this? Oh, you got Starbucks coffee now. How come you can go so? That's actually the best. I gotta go to the shop for this. What's up? Starbucks. How much money? Oh, I can buy that. Wait, do I have Starbucks coffee? I do. time to drink my Starbucks. Wait, nothing happened. Wait, something did. I'm fast! Because I got the... Wait, is this what happened when you drink Starbucks? Like, you're like... I'm so fast! Blah! Blah! Oh no, not that guy again. No. Stay away. I have Starbucks coffee. No, stay away from me. I'm warning you. I literally have the ability. Oh no, I lost my Starbucks. I gotta drink Starbucks. What? Oh no, not the giant. My Starbucks is so tiny to me. And I can't even drink it anymore. It's so tiny, it's like I can't drink it. But look at that. It's tiny. Wait, a coin. Oh wait, no. Maybe now I can drink. Drink Starbucks. I want Starbucks. Oh wait, I'm drinking. And why are there noobs everywhere? Noobs are everywhere, literally. Noobs. Starbucks coffee. We gotta find a pad to turn on the lights. Last time, yes, you found it, girl. Well, I found it before, like, I was like headed towards it. I was like, oh, no. And that to be like, wait, I can pop people's head. Oh, I wanted to pop people's head. Hey, Sonic. Oh no, not the bomb. Sonic the bomb hog. No. Wait. No, I hate this one, honestly. Bo. No, bo. I wanna beat this! Like, by the time, like, you do... That guy just jumped up. Oh, wait, I love this one. I can just walk... I can literally just go through it. See, look. I didn't die. I don't know if that will affect me or something. But at least I have Starbucks. I mean, like, Starbucks, pretty... No, Sonic. I'm faster than you, and you're Sonic the Hedgehog. Maybe it's because I drink lots of Starbucks. Wait, maybe that's the secret to Sonic's power. Starbucks. I win. Well, somebody was pressing the button, and then I turned it. Hiya. Turn invisible? You can't let me down this time. Wait, why are the two Charlie's a spider? Charlie the spider is kind of Kian's shoulder pet. He made it. Yeah, you should definitely go to his channel and like, yeah. Cause I'm just saying. I'm just trying to be nice to him. And now I have super. No, that's a truck. I can literally just when it's crossed. Cause I have the power of Starbucks coffee. I'm not even on the best people. Wait, money. We love money. Now let's see what we have. Watermelon, really? Buy. I bought yumminess. What did it do? It didn't do anything to me. No. Does this do anything to me? It didn't make... Oh wait, I can drink Starbucks coffee and then I'll be even faster. Wait, that's not even drinking it. I'm super fast. I'm literally faster than Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm faster than Sonic. I'm faster than Sonic. I can just run around and nobody will catch me. Wait, my powers. No. I'm gonna be like the last person to survive. Maybe people will see my name tag. back here. Yeah. Hey guys. I actually never won it. Honestly. Oh. Is there something wrong with me, so? No, just toots. I want more Starbucks. I'm ready to be fast. I bet about 1 out of... Wait, so I'm extra fast because I have Starbucks. Drink. Here, this is an ad for Starbucks. No, just kidding. It's not an ad for Starbucks, but I'm just gonna drink Starbucks coffee. Push the button. Push the button. Wait for the button to turn good. It's gonna happen. I promise you. The button's gonna be green sometime, and so I can press it. I'm going to press the button so there's a giant statue of me. Come on, turn green already. Lindsay. That says Lindsay. My mom is named Lindsay, and somebody also has the same wings as me. Are you kidding me? Let's see how long this was. Okay, it honestly wasn't. Wait, did I press it? No, why did that mean guy press it? I mean, like, he just, like, annoyed. This is annoyed, that is. No offense, no offense. If you're watching this video, no offense. But, honestly, I'm kind of mad at you because I really wanted to press that button. Like, a lot. No, no, no! Just climb up, climb up. What? No, I'm just kidding. Wait, am I dead? Guys, I think I'm dead. What? I'm dead. Wait. Why am I dead? Wait, I'm gonna pop you guys. Hey, yeah. I'm just gonna drink Starbucks. Wait, sometimes Piggy comes... Oh, bubblegum. I love this one. Bubblegum Simulator! Bubblegum Simulator! That was the first game I played in Roblox. When I was honestly just 5. 5 or 6. That was when I started playing Roblox. Which was a year ago, because now I'm in 4th... Well, I just passed 4th grade. And now I'm 7, and you say 7-year-olds can't be gamer, but they can. No, sorry, they can. Well, I love this one because I want to drink Starbucks. Well, I don't have enough time to drink Starbucks. I'm just gonna beat everybody to the end because I'm like fast. Maybe if I drink Starbucks, I would like be more faster because that's me fast. Mr. Macaroni Boy, which is me. I'm Dinobots 100 in Minecraft, and I'm Mr. Macaroni Boy, and, you know. Wait, the soccer ball! I'm gonna cheat and drink Starbucks. They'll never accept this thing, except there's fairy dust coming out of my butt. Yep, I'm tooting out fairy dust, everybody. Take that. Wait, no, my team, no, that's... No, you're gonna... No, I want to win. Wait. No. Get it to my team. This is my team. Wait, I want to place it. Somebody already placed it. Well, at least I'm super fast. And, like, they're not fast. Yes, I love this one. I gotta get in the cannon. I don't know why. Ah! Gotta drink Starbucks. Drink the Starbucks! You fool! Why did you drink Starbucks? Just kidding. Simon says blue. I might buy a blue. Hiya! Sometimes it says more than once. People are gonna die. Simon says pink. I might buy pink. Simon says green. I might buy green. I just knew it was gonna say green. Simon says pink. I pink. Is this like gonna be my first win? Yayo, I might buy a yayo. Am I just too good? I'm also white by a green. Oh, I won. Yep, that was my first win, guys. Well, I'm not a noob because cause this literally was pro gamer wings. No, not like pro gamer wings. They were just gamer wings, but I like to call them pro gamer wings because I'm a pro. Like, no! I'm still a pro, even if I die. Like, I'm a noob at don't press the button, but I'm a pro and everything else. See, like, I have $400. And I could get some Bloxico. Well, I'm gonna get something that actually, like, affects me. Like a banana. What? A banana peel? For that much? I already bought the Magic Ninja. It didn't work out for me. Well, it's raining cats and dogs, literally. And I'm drinking Starbucks coffee. Super fast! Oh, wait, here we go. Let's go to death. Death! Okay, you're joking. What? Wait, how come you have pink sparklers? I don't, that typo, wait, that's a... I never, wait, I made it home. How do I make it home? Press the button! Will anybody do it? So, you just want me to wait here? I guess I'll just drink Starbucks. Oh yeah! Pew 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 pew! Wait, what's happening? Yeah! Wait, bombs, help me, bombs. Bombs everywhere. I think that they're following me. Why do you have pink sparkle? That doesn't seem fair. I'm gonna go through the whole entire shop. Like, maybe I can... Chocolate milk. No! Chocolate milk is like the worst. Flashlight, what is... Wait, what is... I already have the frog, it doesn't do much. Buy. Did I buy it? Do I have it? Yes, I do. Here. Wait, I didn't think this would be a rainbow light. Wait. I've been having, guys. And you have a blow dryer, but I have the power to never die. See, look, even if you go off the edge, is this what heaven looks like? Is this my future? Like in a million years. Wait, I have Super Hop with Starbucks too? Wait, no, I don't. Honestly, I don't have Super. Wait, what are you doing, noob? Noob! Becky head? Wait, I want to eat you! No, your hair looks so delicious. And that tide is never gonna get to us. What are you talking about? It's gonna get to us. Yeah, it's gonna get to us. And they were coming both directions. Hiya! Baldy? I'm gonna have to ask you to go. Wait, I made Baldy? I'm gonna You did it. You always do it. Help me. Wait, I can spin the tornado line. Like, hiya. Go this way or that way? Hiya! There! Wait, who did it? Who pressed the button? I did! Yes! I made the rainbow slide. A little Starbucks coffee. Wait. Starbucks! Hiya! Sip, sip, sip. I died. I wanted to go. Wait, no, my rainbow slide is gone. Hiya! Oh no. I didn't do it. Nope. Hiya! Wait, that's lava? Are you kidding me? I'm dead. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go. Hey guys. What do you call the chicken? Wait. Why did a cow cross the road, guys? No, you didn't. Now you get through by pie. Wait, where's my pie? I'm gonna hit you by pie. Wait, I'm gonna go on blue because I feel like blue's always a lucky buck. Yes! Wait, yellow was my favorite color and yellow wasn't it. I think it's yellow this time because it wasn't yellow last time. Okay, I'm lucky. What? No, you just killed me! Now I am getting a blow dryer. It's for a lot of money. I'm never. Look, that's how much it is. They must have been like the best YouTuber ever. Am I doing it right? Wait, what? I was falling to death, but that's a hackle! I tell you, a hackle! Ah, ah, ah. Now, back to the game. Back to the invisible box. Last time, like, he could, like, the guy with the blow dryer could just blow us out of the box. Now, I'm nothing but a sad. Now, why did a cow cross the road? Wrong. To go to the movies. Now you're gonna get hit by pie. Yeah. So pie everywhere. Wait, the pie is getting in the tornado. Ugh, that's hilarious. It's like a pie tornado. Literally, the pie is twirling around the tornado. Hiya. Hiya. No, not this. Everywhere you walk, this would happen. No, not everywhere you walk is where the rocks. He seems like such a nice guy until he blows you off with a blow dryer. I am YouTube, yo. I am literally YouTube. Oh, what my daddy can tell. It's HD. About info. Sorry, I don't go on Facebook. What's about me? This is exactly why I don't like dance parties. Cause then you get thrown off a plane. Wait, am I just gonna land on? Yep, that happened last time, literally. Yes, my Huggy Wuggy shirt, my gamer wings, Charlie the Spider, my clown. It looks exactly like me, see? I'm like, duh. Wait, duh. Wait, what? No! My statue just turned into a way to go. No! Stay away from blow dry man. Wait, I get out one blow dry man. I don't think that Sonic's playing anymore. Yeah, Sonic is not playing anymore. Sonic, I want to have this experience with you. The blow dry man. I tell you, he's my ultimate nemesis. Coffee. Starbucks. Wait, can I be super? Wait, I can outrun the cars, right? Because they're so slow and I'm like the fastest. How come the blow dry man can? Wait, or you could just... I found a way how to get past the cars! Next. Wait. Okay, not long. We haven't been recording for long. Now, you never get my jokes, so I tell you, yeah, hiya. Pie everywhere! Pie for everybody, hiya. Yeah, I pressed the button to, wait, can I just like throw pie at the button? And like, he pressed the button because he threw pie at it. This is what I do when people get my jokes on. I throw punk, no, I'm dead. I like how like, my body part just explode. Very nice touch to Roblox. Okay, Starbucks coffee time. Outrunning. Wait, did I press the button? Is that a giant ducky? Wait, no, I want to outrun him. Outrun. It's time to outrun the blow dry man. Blow dry man, You can't defeat me. Supers! Blow Dry Man has a wait, I pressed the button. I pressed the button. No, the bomb was like trying to get me, but I outwin it for my Starbucks. Wait, I'm even faster because I'm faster than Sonic the Hedgehog. Yo! No. Wait, how is he not tiny? That doesn't make sense. Oh wait, I turned back. And now I'm still fast. I think there's a glitch on me. I'm fast. Very fast. Wait, beep, beep. I can outrun you. You saw. Wait, I have Starbucks. But literally, I have this power of Starbucks. Starbucks coffee. Wait, why won't I drink it? You stupid. You stupid Roblox character. I'm mad at you now. Wait, silly girl will drink it? No. A rainbow! There's no rain. What the heck? There's only like sun. There's like always sun. I'm not gonna... Oh! This is called the black and white Roblox. Wait, I want to turn black and white too. No! I'm not gonna buy that. You should be black and white too. I'm not... Hey! Simon says pink. Hey! I'm gonna kill that guy. Everybody here got killed by the killer. Wait, is he like the only one out there? He might be the only one out there. Here, let me zoom out. Hiya. He is the only one out there. Wait, nobody like... Wait, you flew out of here. Okay, guys. It's pie time. Wait! I blew out! Guys, Bodie! Please don't help me. He said, wow. Is this supposed to mean something or what? Sometimes it's good. Sometimes it's bad. Mostly bad. And mostly, this is going to kill me. And mostly, I gotta get to... Wait, I just jumped up the whole beanstalk. Is there gonna be a giant... Wait, can I, like, make it up? Is this, like, gonna be my force? Time! Super pack? I'm not gonna buy the super pack. What are you talking about? You idiot! You idiot! Okay, can I just, like, jump out? I jumped out. Right, I can get a magic carpet and I can, well, of course I can't. Wait, I gotta get the power of Starbucks. I gotta hide. No! It's blow dry! Wait, there's another. I think that the guy with the blow dry left the game. I have to hide. I got it. Wait, somebody's eating a cheese ball. Hiya, hiya. Wait, I can just like... Just kidding. I just get mad at this game a lot. And I may play Minecraft like in a million years. Whoa! Wait, bro. Okay. Bro. No, not Big Mom. Hey, he. Starbucks. It's Starbucks time. Duh, 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 duh. Hey guys, blow dryer man, you can't get me. I wasted a top as a coconut tree. There, you can't catch me. I wasted. Oh, victory! No, it's not gonna be blue, so I'm gonna run to blue real quick. Cause what, it was blue 2 rounds in a row. Hey, I need somebody to blow me out. Like a smart person. Not too smart, but just like, yes, you. I need a magnet carpet. Okay. Gosh. not 2 of a smart person. Okay. Magic carpet is. How did they get? I'm not. Hey, you are not. No. Bad. Bad. Wait, no. Creepy. There it is. It's like literally always there. The lights are back on. Yeah, go. Do you like my cool wings? Whoa! Dude, like, we actually... Yes, bubblegum time. Bubblegum simulator. Yo! Wait, how come the bubblegum is... I just like to jump with bubblegum. Nobody can stop me from jumping. Except for blow dryers. But I hate blow dryers. Like, blow dryers are so overrated. Because, like, when you blow them at people, they'll just blow to never existing and turn into a million pieces of death. That's why I don't know why I tell. Oh yeah, you probably don't know my name. My name is Isaac. I never tell you it. Like, but my name is Isaac. Honestly, ISAIC. That's how you spell it. So I just gotta make sure. What? You turned into Purple Man. So I'm gonna see if there's anything here that will make me turn into Purple Man. Wait. The disco ball. No, the disco ball would not turn me into Purple. Maybe this? Well, of course it will. Of course it will. Like, here it is. I'm gonna switch it up. Wait, you're saying that this, whatever this thing is not going to give me. Hiya. See? Look, I just shaked it up. Gosh. And the, oh, wait, popped. He popped. At least I'm not gonna pop. Suck, suck. Suck, suck. Oh my gosh! Kill! Kill! Okay, this will be the end of this, right?